Hello friends, we are studying the chapter number 15 of our biology. The name of this chapter is biodiversity and its conservation. And today we are going to learn about the next topic of this chapter, and the name of topic is how many species are there on earth and how many in India. Okay, so see the title. How many species means we are going to talk about the number of species are there on the first portion is about earth and second one in India. Okay, so in this question we will talk about the number of species found in earth as well as number of species found in India. So you can see the PDF format of this question in your screen, but for our understanding we will divide this question into 4 different parts, and it is important to note that in this question more than 50 to 70 MCQs means more than 50 to 17 one-liner questions are there. Okay, so now we will go with the easy language notes. So see, we are talking about the part 1. So we are in first part. So title of question is how many species are there on earth and how many in India. First point, we can say that there are so many species have been recorded so far, since there are published records of all the species discovered and named. So we can say that since today so many species are recorded as well as named as well as discovered as well as the names of species are published. Okay, point number 2, but it is not easy to answer the question of how many species there are on earth. It means, see, in point number 1 we can say that yes, there are so many species are there in this entire world, but in point number 2 we can say that we don't have the exact number. Okay, we don't have the exact number that how many species are there in this entire world. Okay, so point number 2 is completed. Now if we talk about the point number 3, according to the IUCN, so now we have the new name which is known as IUCN. So the full form of IUCN will be International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Okay, so you will remember the full form of IUCN. Again I am repeating this, for full form of IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So according to the IUCN 2004, the total number of plant as well as animal species described so far is slightly more than 1.5 million. Okay, so again point number 3, according to what? According to IUCN data published in 2004, total numbers of plant and animal species would be more than what? More than 1.5 million. Underline this word, 1.5 million. It means IUCN 2004 said that more than 1.5 million plant and animal species were there, but we do not have any clear cut idea of how many species are yet to be discovered and described. Okay, so we can say that yes, 1.5 million species are there, but we can't say that still we have to discovered how many species yet. Okay, so point number 3 is like this. Now see point number 4, estimates vary means different widely and many of them are only educated guesses. Okay, so in this first page of the part 1 we have 4 points, and now we are going to revise all 4 points. See, first one, there are so many species have been recorded so far, since there are published records of all the species discovered and named. Point number 2, but it is not easy to answer the question that how many number of species are there on the entire earth. Okay, but point number 3 we can say that according to the IUCN, what is full form of IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So according to IUCN 2004, the total numbers of plants and animal species would be more than 1.5 million, but still so many species are yet to be discovered and described. Okay, and point number 5, we don't have any idea about the estimate of the species. Okay, so this first page of part 1 is completed. Now if we talk about the second page, first point, for many taxonomic groups, species inventories are more complete in temperate region than in tropical countries. Okay, see, it means in this fourth point we are going to compare the two different type of regions, okay, or the countries found in two different type of region. The first region is what? The first region is temperate country and second one is the tropical countries. It means it is said that these species inventories are more complete in blank, more complete in temperate region, okay, compared to the tropical region. So now we have some examples given here. So if we talk about the temperate countries, so temperate countries lie in the temperate zones, and the examples of temperate countries will be the USA as well as the countries found in Europe region, Canada, Japan, New Zealand as well as North America. And if we talk about the tropical countries, then tropical countries will be Brazil, India, Indonesia, Kenya, Cambodia, Colombia, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Sudan, Thailand as well as Vietnam. Okay, so these are the examples of temperate and tropical country. But you will remember that the work of species inventories are more complete in temperate region compared to the tropical countries. Okay, so now see the next point. Considering that large proportion of species waiting to be discovered are in the tropics, it means we can say that this work is more completed in the temperate region. So in tropical region, large amount of or the large numbers of species are waiting to be discovered. Point number 3, we can say that, see, some biologists make a statistical comparison of the temperate and tropical species richness. See, some biologists make what? Some biologists make a statistical comparison of the temperate tropical species richness and studied group of insect and extrapolates the ratio of other groups and of animals and plants to come up with a gross estimate of the total number of species on earth. It means, see again point number 3, some biologists did what? Some biologists did one type of statistical comparison of the species richness found in temperate tropical region, and from this they are going to estimate the number of total species found in entire earth. Okay, so now see the again first 3 points. First point, we can say that the work of species inventories are more completed in the temperate region, okay, compared to tropical region. You will remember some examples. Point number 2, we can say that, so point number 2, so large numbers of species waiting to be discovered in tropical countries. And point number 3, biologists had done what? Biologists had done the statistical comparison of the temperate tropical species richness, and from this they were going to estimate the numbers of the total species found in earth. Point number 4, we can say that some extreme estimates that there are 20 to 50 million species found in this earth. It means 2 to 5 crore. So it is one liner question, it is MCQ. According to some biologists, 20 to 50 millions. See, remember, we can say that according to the IUCN only 1.5 million. Okay, it is MCQ. So according to IUCN 1.5 million, but according to some scientists 20 to 50 millions. And now there is an entry of Robert May. So point number 5, Robert May said that the global species diversity at about the 7 million, it means 70 lakhs. But the work done by Robert May is proper and it is very estimate. Okay, so we can say that we have total 3 numbers for the species estimation. So the first one, according to IUCN, the numbers are 1.5 million. Then according to some biologists which had done the statistical comparison of temperate tropical species richness, the numbers are 20 to 50 millions, means 2 to 5 crores. But according to Robert May, the numbers are 7 million, means 70 lakh. Okay, so the part number 1 is completed, and now we have the paragraph of your textbook. So see again, first sentence, since there are published records of all the species discovered and named, we know how many species in all have been recorded so far, but it is not easy to answer the question of how many species there are on earth. Now see, underline according to the IUCN 2004. So what is the full form of IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. The total number of plant and animal species described so far is slightly more than 1.5 million, but we have no clear idea of how many species are yet to be discovered and described. Estimates vary widely and many of them are only educated guesses. So for many taxonomy groups, species inventories are more complete in temperate region compared to the tropical region. So considering that an overwhelmingly large proportion of the species waiting to be discovered are in the tropic region, some biologists make a underlined statistical comparison of the temperate tropical species richness of an exclusively studied group of insects and extrapolate this ratio to the groups of animals and plants to come up with a gross estimate total number of species on earth. And now underline, some extreme estimates range from the 20 to 50 million, means 2 to 5 crore, but a more conservative and scientifically sound estimate made by Robert May, underline these two words, conservative and scientifically sound estimate, okay, place the global species diversity at about the 7 million. So see, 3 numbers you will remember. First one is according to IUCN 2004, 1.5 million. Second one, 20 to 50 million. Third one, according to Robert May, it will be the only 7 million. So the part 1 of this question is completed, and now this video is completed here, and we will talk about the part 2, part 3 and part 4, means remaining 2 to 4 parts in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.